Hi all, please do give this a go, you'll be very surprised. I've been practicing blocking, striking, counter-striking, head movement, footwork, reaction time, and reflexes, and more. Test how far your body-mind can go. This travels round in circles, moves up and down the line, so it makes you move back and forth to catch the ball to strike in. Helps to use your footwork as you would in a fight. This is a great tool. You could do striking hooks, uppercut, overhand, jab, crosses, kicking, blocking, and head movement to avoid shots. When putting this up, make sure the rope going across is strong as possible and not slacking. What helps the ball spin faster. Do check links you might like, and do follow, but watch the video to the end and see what you can do with this.